Intermediate first year Political Science, Chapter 6, Rights and Duties Introduction. The study of political science provides knowledge about the rights and duties. Rights are the essential conditions of social life. Rights are inherent in human nature. Political thinkers like Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau stated that people have natural rights even prior to the origin of state and society. Definitions. T.H. Green. Rights are those power claimed and recognized as contributory to the common good. A right is a claim recognized by the society and enforced by the state. Bosanke. Features of rights. Rights are possible only in society. Rights are inherent in nature. Rights are not absolute. Rights are universal. Rights preside the state. Features of rights. Rights are possible only in society. Rights originate in society. They denote human social behavior. They do not excite outside of the society. Rights are the claims of individuals. The claims can be established only when the society or the state recognizes and maintains them. Rights are inherent in nature. Rights are inherent in the social of man. The social contract list stated the rights are inherent in nature. Rights are inherent in nature. Rights are not absolute. Rights are not absolute. Society and state impose some restrictions on the enjoyment of rights by the individuals. Those restrictions are meant for maintenance peace and order in the society. Rights are universal. Rights are universal in nature. They are applicable to all citizens in India. They are given to all without any discrimination on the basis of caste, class, color, creed, race, religion. Rights preside the state. Rights are the products of history. Rights originate in course of time. They were prevalent even before the origin of the state. They were granted only in society. This is all rights in citizen of India. Classifications of rights. Rights are classified in three categories, namely natural rights, moral rights, legal rights, legal rights. There are three types. First one, political rights. Second one, civil rights. Third one, economical rights. Classifications of rights: natural rights, moral rights, legal rights, political rights, civil rights, economical rights. Now we are discuss first one, natural rights. Enjoyed by man by birth. Man enjoyed these rights even before the origin of civilized society. The society and the state recognized and respected these rights. John Locke propounded the theory of natural rights. Second one, moral rights. Moral rights are based on human principles and moral principles. They are supported by moral force of human mind. The essential or moral principle in the society acts as the basics of moral rights. They are popular in nature. Third one, legal rights accepted and enforced by the state. They are applicable to all sections of society without any discrimination on the basis of the caste, religion, race, and region. Legal rights are there are three types. First one, political rights. Political rights are considered as an essential conditions of democracy. In Indian Constitution, Article 326 provide these rights of Indian citizens. Example, right to vote. Above 18 years only. They provide several opportunities to the citizens in the political affairs of the government. These rights are enjoined to the citizens of democratic states only. Example, right to hold public offices. Next one, civil rights. Civil rights are protected by the society and state. Example, right to life, and right to property. Civil rights aims providing basic conditions for individuals to lead a happy and dignified social life. Next one, economical rights. All citizens are economically equal. That every person must get the right to equal work and right to work. They provide economic security to the individual. This right provides economical equality to all citizens. This is a classification of rights: natural rights, moral rights, legal rights, political rights, civil rights, and economical rights.